To use a carbide burr tool for cylinder head porting, you first mount the appropriate burr bit into a high-speed die grinder and select the shape based on the area you plan to work on, such as a cylindrical burr for straight port walls or a ball-shaped burr for valve bowl blending. Before cutting, the cylinder head ports are usually cleaned and marked with layout die or a marker so you can clearly see the factory casting shape and identify how much material you intend to remove. During operation, the die grinder is typically run at a controlled high speed, and the carbide burr is gently introduced to the surface rather than forced into it, allowing the cutting edges to shave material smoothly instead of digging or grabbing. You begin with light, controlled passes to remove rough casting imperfections, such as bumps, ridges, and flashing inside the intake or exhaust ports, always keeping the tool moving to avoid gouging or creating uneven spots. As you continue porting, you gradually shape the airflow path by focusing on key areas like the short side radius, port walls, and especially the valve bowl area beneath the valve seat, where smooth transitions are critical for airflow efficiency. Different burr shapes are used as needed to reach tight or curved sections, and you frequently change angles to follow the natural geometry of the port rather than forcing a straight cut. The goal is not to polish the surface at this stage, but to improve airflow by removing restrictions and creating smoother directional changes for air or exhaust gases. Care must be taken to avoid thinning the port walls excessively or contacting the valve seat area unless you are intentionally reworking it, as overcutting can permanently damage the head or negatively affect performance. Throughout the process, you should work in small increments, periodically stopping to inspect your progress and ensure symmetry between ports for consistent airflow across cylinders. Once the desired shape is
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.